Interactive writing provides a model for everything students need to do in reading. In her book, Interactive Writing, Developing Readers Through Writing, literacy expert CeCe Bates delivers a next generation of interactive writing.
I'm CeCe Bates. Through interactive writing, students learn about the reciprocal relationship between writing and reading while building oral language and vocabulary. They acquire foundational skills including phonological awareness, concepts about print, letter-sound relationships, decoding, and fluency. These skills support them as writers and link to reading.
Interactive writing can be used in full group and small group settings and can be differentiated to meet the needs of all students. The book features step-by-step tips that explain how to introduce, model, and practice interactive writing routines, and how teachers and students can use shared experiences to create a text. Save time using interactive writing to tie science, math, and social studies content together, while seeing gains in reading and writing as well.
I look forward to sharing with you how to incorporate interactive writing so you can enhance your practice and develop strong readers through writing.
Learn more at PediEssentials.com. Go teach brilliantly.